Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are learning phrasal verbs with look. These are very common in real life English, so let's learn them with example. Number 1. Look for. It means try to find. We use look for when we try to find something. For example, I'm looking for my keys. She is looking for a new job. Do not say look my keys. Say, look for my keys. Number 2. Look after. It means take care of. We use look after when we take care of a person, animal, or thing. For example, can you look after my dog while I'm away? She looks after her little brother. Number 3. Look forward to. It means be excited about something in the future. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting you. He is looking forward to his holiday. Do not forget that after look forward, we use ing. For example, we do not say look forward to meet. We say look forward to meeting. Number 4. Look up. It means search for information. We use look up when we search for information in a book, dictionary, or on the internet. For example, I looked up this word in the dictionary. You can look it up on Google. Number 5. Look out. It means be careful. We use look out to warn someone about danger. For example, look out, there's a car coming. Look out for that step. Let's have a quick review. Look for means try to find. Look after means take care of. Look forward to means be excited about. Look up means search for information. And look out means be careful. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips.